Sun Temple. The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for east central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and spotter reports indicate thunderstorms producing heavy rain and street flooding across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to be. Flooding caused by thunderstorms. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Boston, Cambridge, Newton,
Walpole,
Malden,
okay.
Medford, Arlington, Billerica, Woburn, Watertown, Lexington, Tewksbury, Needham, Wellesley, Melrose, Sluggus, Wakefield, and Reading. Flood advisor includes portions of central and southern New Hampshire. Danbury, cloudy.
Well, though, still does the United States. WXL93 now has flash flood warnings. And although you just heard a flash flood warning for Middlesex County, it does, and for Boston, it does not include Suffolk County. So this is technically my first alert for Boston that does not include Suffolk County. Wow.